I'm constantly on the go. My husband and I are always traveling to go and see family, or we're going on little adventures. As someone who's constantly traveling, there are certain specifications that I'm always looking for in a luggage set. I just got this set in from BAGSMART. They're a brand that makes travel luggage, backpacks, and accessories, and they have multiple different lines with different styles to choose from. These luggages I'm showing you today can be purchased on their website. It's called the Light Wanderer Kit, and you can mix and match different carry-ons with different backpack styles, and you can really customize your own kit based on the specifications that you're looking for as a traveler. For me, when it came to a carry-on, there were two specific things that I was looking for. The first thing is I wanted it to be a front open carry-on. I don't like having my bag flip open in half. It's just super messy and it makes it really hard to close back up again. This backpack is also expandable, so you can really maximize the space that you have in your luggage set. I'm going to be breaking down each of these pieces for you guys, and I'm going to show you how you can really maximize the space, avoid paying any checked bag fees, and really just make travel effortless. This is the Getaway 20-inch carry-on front opening. It has such a large capacity. It can fit between 40 to 48 liters. I love a front opening suitcase because it takes up so much less space in your hotel room. All you have to do is lift up the front lid and you have instant access to the contents of the entire suitcase. This particular top open suitcase also comes with a laptop and tablet padded section. It's very rare to find a front open suitcase that has a laptop section and that comes in a hard shell version. And it's especially rare to find it with an expandable zipper in the middle. Compared to your traditional soft shell suitcases that have an expandable zipper in the front, when you have the expandable zipper right in the middle of the suitcase, as the suitcase expands, the wheels also expand. So it doesn't create an uneven weight distribution that's going to lead to your suitcase tipping. This is my old soft shell top open carry-on that has the expandable zipper in the front section instead of in the middle. And what happens is when the bag is overloaded, this tips very, very easily. I can't tell you how many times my husband has told me to throw this luggage away because we'll be in the middle of travel. I take my hand off of it for 1 minute and boom, it tips over so easily. The weight distribution is just too uneven. It wants to tip over. The Getaway carry-on also has GlideTech 360-degree double spinner wheels with shock absorbing housing. The wheels are protected and they glide like butter. We have all had experiences with those types of suitcases that are literally dragging. It is so hard to pull them along and it just takes way too much effort. But I'm here to tell you that there is a better way. These wheels are so smooth. They do a lot of the work for you, and all it takes is a very gentle push to keep the suitcase rolling along right next to you. Let's test the wheels out. I'm going to show you how the BAGSMART wheels glide so much more smoothly than other luggages. Simple push, and she's off. Ow. Let's try this one. Just doesn't compare. I feel the resistance when I pull this back. Let's try again to give an unbiased review. Even with a hard push, that's as far as it goes. The suitcase also has a built-in pre-approved TSA lock, which means you set your combination, you lock your suitcase, you check it in. If TSA has to get in here for any reason, they have the master key that will open up your suitcase. I have a friend who just last weekend had her luggage lost at the airport. She did not have a lock on her luggage. She used a zip tie instead, checked in her bags, and they got sent to the wrong destination. A zip tie is not gonna offer you the security that you're looking for that can easily be cut. You wanna get yourself a suitcase that has the lock built in. It's one less thing to worry about and it really gives you good peace of mind. And on the topic of luggages getting lost, this suitcase also has a built-in AirTag compartment. In order to keep a better eye on your suitcase, it's become really popular to get an AirTag, place it in the suitcase, and then you can visualize on your phone where it is. The BAGSMART luggages have a built-in AirTag compartment, so they really have thought of everything. Another amazing feature is that the handle is adjustable, so you can adjust it to your preferred height, and it goes up and down with a simple click of a button. You can adjust the handle to 4 separate heights, And inside the suitcase, you have multiple different storage panels. You have an area for wet, dry separation. So if you need to pack your bikini or your toiletries, you can pack it in the wet compartment. So as I mentioned before, I really wanted a front open suitcase, but BAGSMART has all different styles of carry-on luggages. They have the traditional style that opens up in the middle, and they have multiple different colors to choose from, so you can really get creative and customize your ideal luggage set. Now let's talk about the backpack. This is the Blast Pro 38-liter travel backpack. And again, BAGSMART has so many different backpack options to choose from, and they have different capacity sizes from 22 liters all the way up to 43 liters. That's as much storage as an entire carry-on suitcase. There are multiple different ways to carry this backpack. It has a handle on the top. It has a handle on the side. You could wear like a traditional backpack, and it also has a special strap so you can slide it onto your suitcase and roll it. The size of this backpack is carry-on approved. It will fit under your seat. There's no need to check it in. And I love that this backpack is also expandable. It can expand from 28 liters up to 38 liters and is suitable to pack for 3 to 5 day trips. Inside you also have a ventilated shoe compartment, a lockable laptop sleeve that fits up to a 15.6-inch laptop, a water bottle compartment on the side, and it also has an RFID pocket so you can store your wallet, your credit cards, your passport, and not be afraid that anybody's gonna steal your information. A great feature about this backpack is that it has a clamshell opening so you can pack the way you pack a traditional suitcase. It doesn't open just from the top like a traditional backpack. I also love this built-in pocket on the top that helps you organize cables, chargers, headphones. Everything is within easy reach. This is truly the best, most functional luggage combination. Again, check out the Light Wanderer pack. You can mix and match your preferred style of carry-on with your preferred style of backpack for the ultimate travel set. I'll have everything linked in the description box along with some coupon codes if you guys decide to purchase one for yourself, and let me know what you guys think.